Time to update my porch. I live in the desert and it's finally cooler here, which means we get to go outside. Why do I live in the desert? Come along with me as I share my 5 tips to a great desert outdoor space. Tip 1, weigh it down. Here in the desert, we get some really strong windstorms. So if it's not strapped down, weighed down, tied down, glued down, you're not gonna see it ever again. Bye-bye. To weigh your pillows down, you need these plastic beads from Amazon. I made some waterproof bean bags out of them, but all you really need is a Ziploc bag or a sock. Put your insert in your pillowcase, add your weighted bean bag, and voila, no more magical flying pillows. If you have a pillow that does not have a pillow cover, you can carefully cut a little bit of the stitching, slip in your bean bag, and stitch it or glue it back up. Does that make sense? But when that pillow is faded and it's time to get rid of it, don't forget to take your bean bag out and put it in your new one. Weigh down your welcome sign with some L brackets and a concrete block from the hardware store. These usually only cost $1. Screw them into the back, weigh it down, and you won't come out in the morning to a face down sign. Now, secure your wreath. Use a command hook and place it upside down on the bottom of your wreath. This will keep it from flapping against your door and your kids running for the hills thinking the boogeyman's trying to get in. Tip 2, paint and repaint. Now in the desert, the harsh sun bleaches everything. Everything, towels, pillows, and paint. So just plan on repainting any decor you have outside. I've repainted this, and these, and this, and those. I updated this with some paint. Make sure to add a clear coat to all your painted surfaces. It will help with cleaning and getting that dust off. Tip number 3, faux plants. If it's in a small planter, it's going to die. There's no question. There's no question. It's a goner. So for smaller planters, use faux plants. You can buy some great ones at places like IKEA, or you can build your own. Use some foam and some caulking to fill a planter. Add some rocks. I got these from the dollar store. And some faux plants. And you'll have a way to add some small green pieces for a long time to come. Tip number 4, protect wood. This Minwax product is my favorite for protecting wood. This is a product I've used in multiple places in my home. I put it on my outdoor wooden chairs that I got from Target. I put it on the swing stand that my husband built from raw wood. And both of these things have held up wonderfully over several summers. It does have an amber tint to it, so I wouldn't recommend it over painted projects, but definitely over warm wood tones, you're good to go. Tip number 5, use rock. Add pebbles to your planters. You can get these in natural look, white, red, whatever your style is. These give your planters a nice finished look while helping with soil and water retention. And a bonus tip, add lights. The desert is lacking in a lot of things, but you can accent the greenery that you do have with lights, and it makes all the difference. Lights really deepen the ambiance, especially when you're spending time outside after the sun's gone down, so you don't melt your face off. Thanks for joining me today as I update my desert outdoor living space. I hope you can update yours wherever you are. Everything that goes out there, it's not coming back the same.